Hello, sugar plums. In this video, we are going to be flipping through gardening number 2 of the Keep Blooming Be Happy box. And if you want to see this flip through, stay tuned. Guys, so this is kind of video number 3 of the playlist, so you should probably know what's going on at this point, but if you're jumping in, check out the playlist at the end of this video and the description box for more details. If you enjoy the video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and definitely subscribe if you have enjoyed hanging out with me and any of my quirkiness. All right, let's get through this flip through. Okay, gardening number 2. I am so excited to see what's in here. Guys, I've not really peeked at this one because I've not had time. I have a newborn baby at home, and so this is my first time seeing it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got some full boxes, and then we look like we have some specific to gardening flags. So garden notes, we all grow at different rates. This could be definitely decorative, these things right here. But then this says time to plant, and it's got gold foil on it. Can you see it? Time to harvest, repot, feed plants, pull weeds, buy seeds, buy soil, water plants, transplants. Time to plant, buy plants, time to harvest. Oh, I'm excited about this, y'all. So I moved into a new house back in September, and there is a flower bed that's already, or not flower bed, a gardening bed that's already been started in my backyard. So I think I might actually use this for its purposes. Let's root for each other and watch each other grow. Oh, love that. Okay. So this is so cute. You've got some different oh my goodness, like some of the favorite little illustrations blown up in this sticker book from gardening number 1. I'm loving that. Loving this solid color in here. And then this is definitely a lot of gold foil so far within these sheets. This sticker book has 20 sheets as well. So weekly task is what that says. Home is where my plants are. Super cute. And then you've got some more gardening terms through here. I don't think that we see prep garden on the other page. Water daily. That's good. Okay. Oh, super cute. So the boxes are different in here, and I'm loving this. These are more round off corners. Color schemes vary pretty much the same. Check for bugs. That's smart. All right. You got kind of a harvest basket here. You got some circle shapes. Loving this book so far. Every day is a fresh start. Loving it. Loving it. This bloom is super cute too. More flag. Oh, wow. A garden log. Look at this. Date plant notes. Oh, can you imagine like the insert sheet you could create with this? Super cute. Let's get closer because I want to make sure you see this good. Let me see how cute this is. The detail on these sheets. It says herbs, flowers, succulents, vegetables, annuals, perennials. And then you've got some empty ones to label however you want. Nice. And then you have it unfoiled. And then you got some matte stickers here. Loving these scissors. Okay. Super cute. Love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Loving these full boxes. The hands, super cute. These are hands, right? Okay, comment below if these are hands. Okay, you've got another sheet of the glossy vegetables. And just in case you just watched this flip through and you didn't see the other one, comment down below if this is Swiss chard or bok choy. Help me out. And you get 2 of them here, and you get 2 eggplants here. That's not in the first book. Neither are these. Not this collection, not this big, but I'm loving it. Loving the lime. Loving it. Oh, so cute. Guys. Oh, and you've got more clear stickers. Oh, this is so cute. Even more. Okay, so now we are back to some matte stickers here. Okay, and then you see how these are kind of like cut off for you already. They're kind of pre-cut. That's going to be cute for your decorating purposes. Bloom with Grace. I was wanting more sunflowers from the other sticker book, so I'm so happy to see this here. Wish for rain, plant dreams, nature does not hurry. Play in the dirt, growing dreams. You grow, girl, and start blooming. You guys, I am getting an idea from this. I am wondering if, for those of you who are already subscribers, you know that in the month of February, I'm talking with my daughters about love. This is giving me ideas about talking with children about patience, teaching patience, and how making a garden, whether it's a small little garden in the house, a herb garden or something, might be a good activity to go along with teaching about patience. This is super cute. And then also teaching about how there's like things that you can't control, because you can't control the weather. Like you can't control how that goes with when you're planting. So you guys tell me what you think about that down below as well. This is super cute. I'm loving these gold little icons. I'm assuming these are supposed to be like trimming shears. And then I'm wondering how you would write. I'm thinking this might be for overlay purposes, because I'm thinking you might not be able to write on this because this is glossy. So super cute though. Loving this. All right, and then you've got it in black, but this is still on glossy paper. Really liking this. Make sure you can see the whole sheet. All right, and so this is a harvest log. So you can write down the date, the crop, and the quantity. So if you're going to keep track of your garden, this is going to be a good log to have. I'm thinking a 1-sheeter again. And then you got it on foiled. You got it foiled with some foiled lines and text. And then this is all on matte paper. Oh, our little bird from Gardening 1 is here. Super cute. I'm loving it. Eat plants. Squeeze the day. Bloom. Yes, super cute. Let love grow. All right, guys. So this is your complete flip through of gardening number 2. Here is your barcode in case you want to do some searching for this sticker book later, or I don't know if it's going to be individually sold. I think I'm just so used to showing you barcodes that I don't know what to do with myself. But that is gardening number 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, let me know if you know about that bok choy Swiss chard and what you think about using this with littles to teach about patience. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. I'll catch you in the next video, and remember to enjoy your planning time just as much as our littles enjoy Christmas Eve. Bye now.